Hey guys, welcome to a new video on NailPossible. I am sure it has happened to you too. You see a mani somewhere and you wonder, how hard would it be to recreate it? A couple of days ago, MoYou London had this image on their stories and I thought, I think I can recreate that. Let's see how close I can get. We start applying a base coat. And we apply a navy blue as a base color. We clean up the cuticles. For this design, we're going to be using the minimal 10 stamping plate and this lavender polish. We're going to stamp this image first. We'll remove what we don't need from the stamper. And we stamp the image on all nails except for the ring finger. Now we're going to use this greenish gold to stamp the same image in between the one we stamped before. On the ring finger, we're going to stamp this image with the same greenish gold. And we're going to use this dot and place it on the tip of the image. We finish the rest of the stamping and we clean up any stamping residue. We add a top coat to protect our design. And finish with a mattifying top coat. We have finished recreating our mani. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like it if you did. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!